Hello, beautiful people. How are we doing? It is February. We're talking about emotions. We're talking about intimacy and the need and desire for touch. I've read this really amazing article that I want to share some information with you about. It was in the New York Times that men need physical touch as much or more than women. So we'll often think, hey, they got it. They're being a man about it. They're good. But ultimately, that's not the case. That rejection of allowing them to express their emotions is actually a cause and root for anxiety or depression, and they don't feel like they can lean on each other like we can, us women. They don't really express their emotions the same way that we do. But let's not get it twisted. Women really need their emotional support as well. But it's really interesting to discover that women receive higher levels of oxytocin, which is the calming, bonding hormone that's a neurotransmitter. When stressed, it helps them cope. It helps us cope with all the things that we have to handle and accomplish as women. But men don't really get that unless they get their physical touch. And for women as well, both men and women, their oxytocin level rises when receiving affectionate touch from their partner. I mean, this goes for tending to your kids, the same thing. Touch is so important for so many reasons other than, it's just a part of human nature. But it reduces fear, it increases trust, generosity, and empathy. Who doesn't want oxytocin? Sounds awesome. But men face this gender role stress, and it leaves them feeling vulnerable because they need touch just as much as we do. And it's a great month to give it, I gotta say. We have our intimacy DIY kit that is super on point for just an array of things to say I love you. If you haven't checked that out, you should go and see that for your next class this week if you're hosting one. But Dr. Floyd called it the skin hunger. It leaves you feeling more lonely, depressed, so you have less social support, your mood and anxiety disorders are increased, and you have an inability to interpret and express your emotions without physical touch. It's so important, guys. And they find that kind of fearful, avoidant attachment style in children in orphanages. So let's not let the people that we love not feel our love this month. We have a couple other little fun treats that can help you along this journey. Our Emotions and Essential Oils 7th edition. People are loving this book. It's so phenomenal. It really goes in depth with so many beautiful aspects of how these oils can be used. The 5 stages of healing is a really interesting factor they added. It assists in the healing of the physical body, assists in the healing of the heart. Essential oils assist in releasing limiting beliefs, increases spiritual awareness and connection, and inspire the fulfillment of our life's purpose. Yes, please. That sounds awesome. And it goes into depth of how it does that, how these blends and these oils will enhance your emotional capacity. It's a beautiful book. You should definitely check this one out. We also have this free download. It's almost Valentine's Day, and we're so cute here at Oil Life, our graphic designer, and we love making these things for you guys. So please check out this free download. You can put your little oils and samples. We got little stickers you could cut out. And you can put the little ones on top of your little dram vials. So adorable. You can put a little roller bottle right inside of that adorable little to from box. Stick these on your rollers. It's so cute. We're so cute here at Oil Life. I love this company so much. But please check out these tools, and please don't forget to show your affection and show your love and hug each other. It's Valentine's Day. It's a beautiful month for expressing your joy and appreciation for those people around you. So don't forget to love on each other. Be blessed, everyone. We love you at Oil Life.